Hey everybody, today we're gonna be making a tasty Kraft dinner with the original KD box from, so we put that in there, and then, oh my god, we need some milk. I use 4-liter milk. I like to use block of cheddar cheese. Sorry about that. Ow! We could probably use some Parmesan. We got some Philadelphia. Oh! We got turkey pepperoni. We're gonna be using that for the base. So it's been sitting in there for a minute. You want to keep on stirring so none of the noodles touch the or get stuck to each other. Sponsor me. We'll add a little pepper in there and a little bit of salt.
Give it some flavor.
And you give it a good stir. You make sure. But you make sure it's on high heat. Oh my god, that goes right in my leg.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We'll let it sit for another, give or take 5 minutes.
And if you're not over 18 years old, get the hell out of here.
Dick! Hello? Oh shit. Hello? No, I didn't order the pizza. No, I'm cooking Kraft dinner right now! What the hell do you mean? You're at my house. Shit. Fucking God. What do you mean? No. You're at the wrong house. No, that is not my house. How did you get this number? You have the wrong number, I'm sorry. Why the fuck would I order mushrooms on a pizza? Yeah, I like pineapple. No, it's not my pizza! You have the wrong number, I'm sorry. No, don't... Piece of shit. Don't call back ever again. Ruining when I'm trying to fucking cook a good meal. What now? Hello? No, you have the wrong number! I didn't order a pizza! No! Damn people. Alright, so, I think it's been like 3 minutes. Ah! Tastes like raw noodles. We'll give it 5 more minutes. In the meantime, we'll have the milk off to the side. This is where we're gonna do our station. This cheese here, we're gonna be cutting it. We're gonna cut thin slices. Really thin slices? That wasn't thin. That wasn't thin either. That wasn't even a slice. Fuck yeah. Cheese. Anyway.
Oh yeah, you fucking like that. I know you like it right now. You like it right here.
Alright! Time to turn it off. These noodles look fucking good. Oh my god. So what you want to do is grab that. And what you want to do is grab that tap. Now you don't want to melt your fucking pipes with the boiling water, so you plug it, have cold water on, take it, bowl like this, and fucking empty that cunt. And it's burning my thumbs. Ah! Oh, fuck! And look at that, some nice fucking noodles! I love Tobey Maguire! Alright, now what we're gonna do... Son of a bitch. Shit! Forgot the most important thing. Butter! This is margarine, but... So you take that big scoop of it, shove it in there, and you mix it with the hot shit. What it is, plain cream cheese is probably the best. And you take a decent scoop of that. Right into the mix. Just keep stirring. Let that melt in there. Fuck yeah, dude! Some of this seasoning salt. That sounds like pussy. And then just a little bit of milk. You don't need a fuck ton of milk.
There's not enough milk.
You don't want soup! You want noodles, not soup!
Get the turkey pepperoni.
You slap those bad boys in there. Mix those around in there.
Daddy.
Daddy!
Yeah, open that crisper up, yeah. Now, the piece.
The resistance. Just break that up with your spoon. But the piece de resistance. Ragu! Oh, you pass the sauce.
Oh, baby. And you mix that bad boy up in there.
Oh, baby. Fuck it. Smell that shit.
Oh my god. How did you know?
Thank you, Lord. Ah,
Good.
So good.
dun 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 dun. Oh. And that is your beautiful KD pepperoni pasta cheese cream fucking mix, baby! Let's give her a taste, shall we? Oh. Fuck. How do I? Oh my god. Yeah!
The hardcore rain leaves you rusted. The hardcore rain leaves you rusted.